We have the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus in the Star Wars limited edition, and we are super excited to open this baby up. And we particularly love it when a company goes out of their way to create a product that you don't just need, you want.
Yeah, the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus was really or is one of the flagship phones in 2019. So what better way to honor that with a special Star Wars edition? And we're super excited to unbox that. And if you are new to our channel, we do awesome tech reviews and more, but mainly awesome tech reviews. Let's get into this.
So we love the box to begin with. We love the Star Wars, the Kylo Ren on the front, and it's not just a box, it's a sleeve.
It is a sleeve. So you have Kylo Ren, you have the Kylo Ren helmet on there. It obviously says Star Wars, it says Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus, and then you really open it up and then you see that it is more like a sleeve, right? Kylo Ren comes in a different helmet then, doesn't he?
Yes.
So that's pretty
We have
cool.
him without the cape then.
Yeah, so you see these red accents, and once you open that box, what do you see then?
As soon as you open it, you know you've got something special in your hand. You see the case and you see the special badge that comes with it.
Yeah, so that's pretty cool. If you look at the case, the phone case itself, it is leather, and it has that Kylo Ren feature. It has that helmet on the case. It feels really soft.
We have a soft lining, almost feels like velvet.
That's nice. So if you look at that, that's kind of velvet. It really protects your phone, and it has these features that say Star Wars on the bottom, and then the helmet. And then we come to the second feature of the box, and that is pretty cool. That's kind of is it a badge or what is it?
A collector's item.
A collector's item, and it is really solid. It's proper metal, and it's really fine and defined in the way it's been done. Right?
What I actually found wonderful is when you pull the box open and you don't just see the phone there. So it's this mounting feeling of excitement as you open it and say, oh, look at my badge.
Yeah.
Look at my collector's item. And as a nerd, as a collector of things, it's really nice to get your hands on.
It will probably look really nice in the shelf or on the shelf, right?
Absolutely.
So, and once you remove both items, the case and the Star Wars badge, you have some kind of documentation. You have your SIM card ejector, the usual stuff you would expect in a phone. But where's the phone?
Where is the phone?
Voila! You pull a drawer out of the box.
It's just like a jewelry box. You pull it out and you have your phone on the left hand side and then the earbuds on the right hand side.
Yeah, so the Galaxy Note 10 Plus left hand side, Galaxy Buds on the right hand side. And if you look at then a different angle for that box, it really looks like a jewelry box. And I like the details of that box because it has that Star Wars feeling. It's really nice.
It's almost like a male version of a jewelry box.
Yeah, pretty much.
A man box.
my box, my future box.
So what else is in the drawer?
That's it. These two things. But then you open up, you have the Galaxy Buds. And they're not just a standard Galaxy Buds, right? This is very important, guys.
Oh, look at the red on that interior.
Yeah, and the red is really and it makes noise just like Star Wars, but the red is like Kylo Ren's lightsaber, right? It is
or
really,
a Ferrari.
Or a Ferrari, but I would probably go towards the Kylo Ren feature. The box itself also has the charging cable. It has different ear tips for your fit and comfort. And then we move on to the phone, to the main feature, right? And there's a phone.
Nice.
Very nice. And it has a protector case on there. And
what's
when
on
you
the
turn it
back?
on, oh, this is nice. This is really nice. On the back, you will see these red outlines on the phone, on the camera itself, but also on the volume rocker and on and off button. And we have a little European Union sticker in the middle, if you can see that.
And that's covering what?
The sticker, or
Yes.
I don't know. That's
It's
just
covering the logo, isn't it?
yeah, but
There's
that's
a logo on
yeah.
that.
There's the first order logo on there. We get to the phone in a second again, but this is the box itself. It has a charger. It has the Akg headphones in here and the standard stuff, but it obviously looks different. And then we turn it on and here's some sound. Now that is pretty cool. If you look at that arrangement of the box, that is really nice. I think it looks really cool. What about these icons and the theme?
The thing I find super about this phone is not just the box, it's not just the items within there, it's also down to the icons, the themes that you get on the phone. Not just your wallpapers, but the actual icons too. Ow, that's so
did you
nice.
hear that?
You would not believe how many times we've done that already.
So guys, this is a pretty important feature. The S Pen itself is obviously very red as well. It's kind of a lightsaber theme here, but you pull it out, it makes that Star Wars noise. You plug it in, back in, and it also makes that Star Wars noise. And that is pretty cool. You press these buttons, back, forth, main menu, you can customize that all, and it makes really cool sounds, doesn't it?
And we've done it lots and lots and lots.
So then we move on to the themes. There's obviously a whole bunch of customization in that phone. You can go and customize your ringtone, right? It's the Star Wars theme and the music from Star Wars we can't play to you because we're gonna get copyright issues when we do that. But if you look into the themes itself and the wallpapers, there's a whole bunch that really you can customize your phone with. Let's have a look at that. So you have that theme already here, and you see when you dial somebody, when you call somebody, you have that special theme on already.
So it's not just your wallpaper, it's
No, it's
also
not just, it's the whole theme
within
of the phone.
apps, etc.
Yeah, and then you have different wallpapers, stormtroopers. You can basically customize that to Kylo Ren and others, as you can see, and that's pretty cool. It is a limited edition. The Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus Star Wars Edition is limited. However, have you got any questions? Let us know in the comments below. We're happy to answer them, right? So what do you think about it? What is your conclusion?
My conclusion is I wish that more phone manufacturers would be doing this. Yes, it's a limited edition, but it also feels so exciting as well to have something different. Phones have got so, I know it's bad to say, but so boring over the years. I think we're so used to the tech now that anything coming out doesn't feel that exciting, but this link with something that we love has added that extra excitement in opening the box.
It's very special, I have to say, opening that box and looking at the arrangements in the box, and you've seen the awesome pictures and that badge and the phone and the case
sound.
and the sound it makes. I really love it, and I think Samsung has done something nice here, especially the hype is real, right? Star Wars just came into the cinema, the hype is real, and thank you for watching. Make sure you comment, like, subscribe. Jens here from Also Space.
Tony the Car Geek.
Peace out.